There is a camera ankle NASCAR broadcasts almost never show on purpose. It's pointed at a man's feet. And wat dat camera has captured het has kyk later net into one of the strongest competitive dilemmas in the sport's modern history. Not because anyone thinks he's shouting. Because he's doing something almost nobody else in the garage even attempts anymore, and if I team gaan watch him do it ontire of data screens and still can't copy it. By the end of this video, I will understand why some drivers are calling it in fire, why NASCAR insiders are already floating relay changes to neutralize it, and why the man doing it mag het besitting on a skill that simply cannot betaal het. Such wins in the last 7 roadkouse races? In a sport built on parity, that numbers helpend exist. But it belongs to one man, Sane van Gisbergen, known across the paddock as a New Zealand-born driver only a sort stretch into ultimate Cup Series racing, is already tijd voor ter ultieme on the roadkouse winlist. After his win at Sonoma, his second strike at that track, is eigen de Cup Series win overal, hij officieel bekame te winningest actieve Cup Series driver on road and street courses. Kyk note bevore we continue, this channel is closing in on 500 subscribers, and if breakdowns like it is are wat ou kome here voor, subscribing costs nothing and helps other NASCAR fans vind this story. Alright, back to the feed. Van Gisbergen didn't grow up on ovals. His entire education happened on road and street circuits across Australia and New Zealand, where he won 3 supercars championships before crossing the Pacific. Hy reached 4 Cup Series wins vaster dan ander drivers since Parnelli Jonas in 1967 and has the winningest vooruitgeborn driver in Cup Series history. But garage insiders aren't calling the simple talent anymore. They're calling it a trick, technically legal, technically not new, but practically nobody else in the sport can execute it. If a modern Cup Series driver brakes with the left foot, no slitje, no complication. Van Gisbergen does the opposite. His right foot handles the brake and met corner throttle blip, while his left foot works a clutch pedal almost nobody else in the field still uses. It's challet heel aan to braken. And it isn't new, it's a technique dig up from a forgotten era. Decades ago it was standard. Drivers like Ricky Rudd, Bill Elliott, and Rusty Valate iset it to work roadkouse magic, back when vouwspeed manual gearboses weer stil standaard equipment. Onze sciential transmissions eliminate te niet voor a clutch on downsifts, te skill keitlei van is het voor 30 years. Ricky Rudd, a Hall of Famer woelier net heel aan toe at a road racing school, onze reflected that it had never disappeared, because of how much it had narrowed the gap in roadkouse competition. He also compared the old downsifts to at rearing kirches of things happening at onze. 3 advantages. First, tierpreservation, the clutch the sonnets trifeline soak from the rear tires during braking, keeping them frisser over a long run second. Rotation, the car pivots as the driver brakes, allowing a dichter appetline than conventional braking allows. Third, a seamless throttle blip on downsifts, so the car never loses composure cheating a corner, which translates the red line into faster exit speeds, lap after lap. And he isn't even driven flat out. You logano treat rigid foot braking during a Watkins Glen practice session and abandoned it almost immediately. Some drivers flew to Australia to try it in a supercars world card entry and still couldn't bring it back at a competitive level. Even van Gisbergens om trackhouse Tiamatis have gefen op trying to replicate it Christopher Bell has site wilden knop weer to start. Kevin Harvick, tag het de technique eerlei in his career but never raced with it, pointed to Marcos Ambrose as the last driver to master it at a championship level. Kyle Larson summit it a blind lei with the aline about old dogs and neef tricks. Ten Terres Dene Hamlin, the most iemand moment in the story. He is to rigid voetbrake, and even won a race in Mexico sit hy doing it but is admitted gewoon back to it nog isn't realistic. A driver wo onze hat is check tool has lost it to team and habit. Dale Earnhardt. Broke thuis doven on his own podcast, describing heel aan toe as someting ou have to bedoing from te verry first die ou start driving race cars, not someting pick it up later. En is 5 tere my not by a single other driver currently in the Cup Series capable of adopting it at a level. FN speers Marvel at het Korea la joeie joket online after a broadcast camera zoomit in on van Gisbergens bedalwork met rase. Reporter Jordan Bianchi pit het in serieus historical terms, telling fellow journalist Jeff Glick dat wat's infolding hasn't been seen at this level in the Cube series my beefer. This isn't a gaptiams gaan closer with the more reps. Testing across the sport is limited, Roodkouerse praktiese teame is scarce, and nobody rebuilds 15 years of Muslim memory in a single Friday session. That's the real chasm, and its weite conversation inside the race soaps has shifted from admiration to concern. NASCAR has a long history of keitlei rewriting release when one driver become too dominant for the format to absorb, from the track-arm suspension era, to aero and horsepower adjustments after manufacturer dominance on intermediate tracks, to weiget and spike changes across full seasons. This is what NASCAR does when Simeone breaks the format. 3 theories are circulating. First, a spike pedal box, standardizing pedal spacing across every car, keitlei removing the room heel and to retires. Second, eliminating the clutch and to rely on roodkousers with the full differential or paddle shift system. Third, and most drastic, touching the differential. Van Gisbergen has side publicly dat supercars locket differential is, wat voorzet hem to develop this techniek, wele NASCARs open differential just maak is it a bonus, not a necessity. Change dat spek, and te wole equation shifts. As of now, NASCAR's latest technical updates have focused on horsepower and aero for short tracks. Nothing has been formally proposed about the pedal box. Whether that stage 3 is a separate gestion from whether it stage 3 for long. Not everyone wants to touch it. Sommige longtime fans see van Gisbergen style as attribute toe of stock cars is it to berasset, and 5 ander rille change as pinnes in craftsmanship instead of protecting fire competition. Jordan Bianchi het back on the idea that aanheiting needs to change, pointing out that if the techniek weer 'n realiteit is, otter Roodkouerse specialists wil already bedoing it. There is also a generational subplot. Vonor Zelis, a teenage trackhouse prospect already racing alongside van Gisbergen, represents a generation that cult grow up with the techniek built in from day one. If that trend continues, tis advantage mag it not stay in here to one driver much longer. None of this is resolved. If NASCAR does nothing, van Gisbergen's dominance geld keep running in check it at every Roodkouerse on the calendar. If NASCAR acts, the sport may end up legislating away one of the last old school skills left in stock car racing. There is still a camera pointed at his feet. NASCAR still hasn't decided what to do about what it sees. Type let him choke if out tank NASCAR schuld lief it is alone or level it if out tank the rilleboek needs to change. Drop a comment Sarah Thijs with a fellow NASCAR fan, and maak 'n sure oure subscribe before it net Roodkouerse weekend, because the story is far from over.